In this video, I'll show you how you can join anyone on Roblox as long as you have the username and the game that they are playing. Now first what you want to do is you want to install this add-on to your Google Chrome. Simply search for this on Google and add it to your Chrome. Now after you've done that, click on it up here, press auto search and reload your page. Then you want to find their username. Let's say I have just this random person here. I want to copy their username, right click, copy, and then you want to head up here, type it in here and paste. Then you want to find the game that they're playing. Let's say it's VR Hangout. I'm going to click on it, go to servers, and as you can see the extension is searching for the person in this server. Now I can simply scroll down and look for the character right here, see if it's any of these. If it is, simply press join, or you can press the search button right here for the live servers. Now obviously this person is not online, so we cannot find her, but if she was online, I would be able to find her here. Then that's simply how you can do it. This works with your friends, streamers, YouTubers, anyone, as long as you have the username and the server that they're playing. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.